Hello there traders. I am back with another amazing trading strategy that you might like. As we all know, in this channel I share some of the amazing trading strategies out there. Today I have an engulfing candle trading strategy. In this video I will show you how to make an entry, how to make a take profit, and lastly how to make this trading setup. You might be wondering on the tools that you need to trade using this trading strategy. But what you need is nothing, or maybe you can use one horizontal line and that's it. So now let's begin with the video. I will start by showing you the pattern of this trading strategy. You click the video because you want to learn this amazing trading strategy. Let me not waste your time, let's begin with the video. And after learning this trading strategy, I advise you to go and backtest it yourself. And this strategy will be helpful even if you're not using it to enter the market, but using it as a directional or reversal. This strategy also includes some of the bank side of manipulation, so stay tuned. Now here is the pattern. Please have a pen and paper as I explain this pattern. What we need is very simple. We need to see the market in a bearish trend breaking the previous low or low. Then after the market has broken that previous low or low, we need to see some spikes. Spikes happen sometimes, but the pattern still works. The previous low or low will be broken like this. Then after that we need to see an engulfing candle. For those who doesn't know what is an engulfing candle is candle that engulfs the previous candle's body, and because we are in a bearish, the engulfing will be bullish candle. And vice versa, as in the bullish trend. But I will also show you that. Now that we know the two rules for this strategy. Now for that amazing part, which is the entry. For entry we will enter using a buy limit at the previous candle's body. After the bullish engulfing candle. But I will demonstrate it to you when we move to a real chart. And if you follow me in Telegram, you will see that I like to use it sometimes. The link to our Telegram will be in the description below. And I share free signals too. Then for take profit you can target previous high. For the reversal from bullish to bearish. As we can see here. Step 1, we wait for the market to break the previous higher high. Step 2, we let the market create a bearish engulfing candle above the previous higher high. Then in step 3, we will put our sell limit at the previous candle body. The previous candle's open, which is that bullish candle's price area. Like I said before, you can do this in higher time frame and then do the same thing in lower time frame. I have those kind of videos in this channel to teach you how to move from higher time frame to lower time frame. I will leave them in the description below. For take profit we will target the previous low. Now that we have everything to start trading and make money, let's move to a real market chart so that I can demonstrate this to you easily. This trading strategy is amazing. It won't give you headache when trading it. All you need is to follow the 3 steps. Now let's follow those 3 steps. Step 1, we have to identify the trend, and sometimes it might be a reversal. So in this one we can see that we are bearish, but the market made the previous structure that I just showed you. Step 2, in this one we can see we have our previous lower high being broken. Then after that lower high, we see that we have a bearish engulfing candle. So we will use that to sell. From this price action over here. What it means is that the smart money just triggered the buy limit to those who trades breakout, then the market reversed so that they can be in a loss. But as we all know, the market won't let them to be out, so it will just drop lower and blow their accounts if they are not using proper risk management. For entry we know our sell will be triggered on the previous candle's body. And then our stop loss will be above the high that created the engulfing candle. Then for take profit, we target the previous low. For this one I would like to show you something that this trading will make you to avoid. Now look at this swing points over here. Then as we can see we have an engulfing candle. But would you sell without waiting? So this strategy will make you avoid such trading styles without following your trading plan. As we can see the market spike above that engulfing candle, meaning if you sold without the market making that manipulation you will be stopped out. Because here, you have seen it before, you will wait with the smart money people. After the market has spiked above the previous high, which is step 1 to this trading strategy. Then moving on to step 2. The market just came back and retested that previous candle's body after one candle. Now moving on to more examples. I want to show you how this strategy can do. In some cases like this one on the chart, it can happen that you profit more if you follow the same rules over and over again. Right now, by just looking at this chart we can see that price traded below the previous wick and then price closed with a bullish engulfing candle. To make it simple for you guys, what you can do is, every time when you see an engulfing candle, just make sure that it traded below or above the previous swings. Now as we see now I have put the horizontal line on previous low. And then from here we can also see that price made an engulfing candle after it spiked below the previous low. Now following the same rules we will trade by using a buy limit order, which will be on the previous candle's open. Now for the entry we will enter when price come to retest that previous candle's low. And for take profit as I showed you before it will be on the previous high. If you don't have patience to hold your trade, forget about making huge profits like this one in the market. So if you like this video so far, please help me by subscribing to the channel so that I can start making money from YouTube. Also don't forget to like the video because it helped this video to reach more traders who doesn't have a solid trading strategy. Also share the video to WhatsApp, Telegram. If you reach this part of the video also consider leaving a comment by suggesting future videos. Now moving on to the last 3 examples in this video. From this example here I advise you to pause the video now so that you can try to find at least one pattern on this chart. It'll give you 5 seconds so that you can see how much you have learned throughout the video. I hope you have found some of these patterns. As you can see all of the patterns follow the same pattern which is making sure that the previous low or high is manipulated, then followed by an engulfing candle. From the 3 examples we can see that those patterns follow the same rules of this trading strategy. Now that we are done with this one over here, I want to show you how you can buy and take profit, then sell and still take profit. Only if you follow these rules. You will see that on the next example in the video. Now we will start by selling first. From this area over here we can see that price traded above the previous high. Then look after on what happened on that area. We can see that price made an engulfing candle on that area. After when price traded above that previous high. Then for take profit and entry. We follow the same rules as before. Even if I repeat the words, what I am doing is just training your muscle memory. So that you can remember this when it appears on a chart. For entry here we sell on the previous candle's open. Because the previous candle is bullish. Unlike on the bearish candle. But you see that on the next example. Then take profit will be the same as before, being that we target the low. Now from here we can see the same pattern or signal but vice versa. From here we can see that price traded below the previous swing low. Then from the current price we can see that price also made an engulfing candle. Then we just follow the same things over and over again. And to make this strategy to be profitable, I advise you to use proper risk management. And risk management at its own it's the best trading strategy ever. Now for entry we can see that we buy from the previous candle's open. That will be our buy limit order. So that when price comes back to the price level, we can expect a retest. As promised in the beginning of the video, that I will include 20 examples at the end of the video. So now I will keep quiet so that you can enjoy this 20 examples with explanations. So if you like me to include this every time on my videos please consider commenting below so that I can know what you guys like. Enjoy the 20 examples. I will see you on the next one.
Perfect.